I got a toy. What's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. Oh, not what I need, but I'll take it. Little Timber King hat. I'll wear it proudly as a new Timber King owner. But more importantly, a blank envelope. What could it be? What could it be? Oh, come on. Ah. Wow. A shiny new pulley. Yes. It is my pulley. And according to the guy at Timber King, this is somehow far new and improved over the old design. So let's hope. I'm going to go get this puppy on the mill, and also going to try to get my cable upgraded. I think I've got a spare piece of cable that's maybe a little bit bigger than what's on there. So hopefully I can get that put on as well and get 2 upgrades on the mill to make it run a lot better. But this was critical because I could not effectively use that thing with the other roller broken. Happy to have it. Actually, just so I don't forget, they threw this in for me too. Timber King was really good about this actually. I called them, and it's kind of funny. I called to get that part, and they wanted to know the serial number on the machine and where I'd got it. And that actually is nice to me. They fully track these machines when they can, because they want to know, who had them and what they've been through, and they're able to give you a whole history of parts and pieces that have been ordered for it in the past. Pick up these styrofoam before they go blow away. But they also threw in a new manual for me, which is kind of funny because I already had 2. I had one from the guy I bought it from, and he had one from the guy he bought it from. So they threw me another one. So now we have 3 manuals, and they threw in a DVD, which I think this is going to be some quality family movie time right there. Customer training session, setup guide, and operation. I bet that's going to be really boring, actually. But it would probably do me well to watch it. So, got that. Got the shipping label. I don't feel anything else in there but a whole bunch of packing peanuts. I'm excited about this outfit. I'm going to get that puppy on. That's a girl.
Hey, that was my pile. Hey, Dad, there's the trees. Hey, Dad, you pick it?
Let's grab my tools here. Always got to have a couple tools in your toolbox. Handy, handy. Oh, and you always got to make sure that she doesn't get them. Oh, no, no, no. Not for you. Mary, please sit down. I don't like you standing up. All right. Let's see if we can get this old roller out of here and a new one in, huh? Where am I looking at? What am I looking at? There it is, right there. What's wrong, bud? You're bleeding? Oh no! Oh no! Did you rub dirt on it? Let me see. Oh, you can fix that with dirt, buddy.
Let me see.
You can fix it with dirt.
I see one.
Good prognosis, Kenzie. You will be a doctor someday with an attitude like that. This will be fun to see how chewed up my temporary bolt was that I stuck in here. He was only in here to make a couple of passes on the log. Well, not too bad, but you can sure see where it was riding. All right, that's all trash. The new one here, this one's a lot prettier. It's got a Teflon nut on there. And then they're what they call the axle, which is a glorified bolt, but that's the axle. And then nice shiny bearings inside the roller. And my old one here had some spacer washers in there. I'm not sure that those are critical or not. Maybe the bolt, maybe the... Yeah. I don't think it hurts anything if the roller has a little play in it. So... Boy, they don't give you any freeboard, that's for sure. I don't even know if I'm going to have enough threads to really torque down the Teflon nut here. They've got the nut's got a Allen head on it to tighten down, but I don't have an Allen wrench out here, so I'm just going to use channel locks.
Hey Daddy, what are you doing there?
It's in the old sawmill, buddy.
Okay, can I help?
Yeah, you're doing a good job right there.
Daddy, can I help you do that job?
Yeah, here, come around here. Come here, on my left hand side. Push down, push down. Ah, good job, buddy. Let's go, one more. Ah, good.
Hey Daddy, what's right there?
You see what we did? See that roller we put in underneath there? And look, here's a hard roller.
Bring more on down.
You think so?
Yeah, get her down.
Okay, buddy.
Now she does one down.
Yeah, I messed the old one up. I beat on the threads and broke it. Okay, so that's the first part. That's done. There you go. New roller installed. Let's see how she rolls. Girls. Emerson, get out, please. Move. Can you step on that, Kenzie? Push that all the way down as far as you can. As far as you can. All the way. Push it down. Harder, 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 harder. Harder, harder. Not even hard enough. Not even close. Okay. You just stomp it all. Oh. Emerson. All the way down. Thank you.
What did you have to do, Dad?
Well, I had to lower them forks down a little bit so I could take that chain off. All right. Well, it's sitting down on there anyway. I'll the truth here in just a second. What? Kenzie, what are you doing to her? Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Just throw her off to the side.
No.
Here. You sit here. You sit here then. Play with the dirt.
What is that for?
Play with the dirt.
No. Why don't you wash these tools?
Little farm kids just can't be happy if they can't play in the dirt, apparently. I got no problems with that. I got no problem with kids getting dirty. See how she rolls. Oh, put it on the track. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. See how strong I am. Well, that's nice. That feels pretty nice. That feels pretty nice. I guess it's working. Makes me wonder if I should upgrade all of them. Maybe it'd run a whole lot smoother if I changed out all of them, and maybe I will. But they're like $30 a piece, so I don't know that I really want to.